Hi guys, and welcome back to our tutorial series. In the last tutorial I showed you guys how to add C4 into our rayshoot script, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to add a grenade. Now the first thing you want to do is you want to make sure you have a grenade model, then go to Components, Physics, add a rigid body, then you want to go to Components, Physics, and then add a sphere collider to that, and that should look something like that. Then what you want to do is you want to expand the radius on this, so something like this. Save it. Then you want to make a prefab called grenade_fab. Then drag the grenade into the prefab, so it updates that, and delete it from the scene view. And that's that done. No, actually drag it back out. We gotta do one more thing. Go to your FPS script folder. And in the last tutorial we made a script called Explosion System C4. Click on that, go to Edit, Duplicate, rename the duplicate one to Grenade. Then attach this one onto the grenade. It's just for the explosion. So it adds it there. Okay, good. So update the prefab again. So let's look for the grenade, and let's update that. Delete it from here. Let's go into our script and define the variables we need. Okay, wow, that's not the rayshoot script. That is. Alright, so the first one we need is for grenade explosion, and it's going to be a type game object. The next one we need is for grenade holder, and it's going to be a game object. The next one we need is for grenade direction, that direction the grenade is going to fly out, and it's going to be a vector 3. The next one we need is for grenade timer, and that's going to be a float with a value of 0. The next one we need is for grenade cooler, and that's going to be a type float, and that's going to be equals to 0. Now let's make them wait 1 second before they can chuck another bomb. That's that one done. The next one we need is the audio, so for grenade audio, and that's going to be your audio clip. The next one we're going to need is the grenade's throw speed, so for grenade throw speed, and that's going to be a float, and it's going to be equals to 500. Save that. The next one's going to be for grenade object. That's the actual prefab, and it's going to be a type game object. And the last one we need is number of grenades, so for number of grenades, and that's going to be a type of integer, and we can only have 3 grenades. Well, up to you how many you want, but for me 3 is fine. The next thing you want to do is in update we want to make a check for number of grenades and grenade timer, so they can't go above certain values. So let's do that next. So the first thing I'm going to say is if open bracket close bracket open curly brace close the curly brace, and I'm going to say if grenade timer is greater than 0, sorry. Yeah, greater than 0. Yeah, that's fine. Then grenade timer minus equals time dot delta time. You want to copy this if statement. You want to paste one down here. Put this as less than, and put this as 0. Now let's do one for the number of grenades. So copy that, paste it twice. I'll zoom in a bit more if you can't see it. So replace this once with number of grenades. Copy that and put it there. And you want to change these. So if number of grenades is greater than 3, then return it back to 3. If it's less than 0, then return it back to 0. You also need to change these as well, so copy that one more time, the variable name, and change these. Save that. So that's that check done. We're gonna make a new comment line underneath no gun mode, and we're gonna call this one grenade, like so. And this is where our input key is gonna go for grenade. And let's set the changing keys so we can switch between weapons. I'm gonna rename this to switch key. Makes more sense that way. Alright, let's copy this alpha 3 line, paste that there, change this code to alpha 4, and put both to false. That's fine. Let's go to the very top of the script, and we want to add a new in num mode. Make a comma there, and we're going to say grenade, and that's going to be the 4th one. Copy this, paste it just after this one, and change that last one to grenade. Alright, let's go back down to the switch key, and let's change that to grenade. Now we're going to do a quick test to make sure that works. So we save that, go back into Unity, let it update. Right, so far it looks good, so I don't think there will be any problems. Alright, so if I press the 4th key, it should change it to grenade. Alright, it does, good. Let's go back into the script and let's start making the functions we need. Right, the first function we need is function throw grenade, like so. Open bracket, close bracket, open curly brace, close curly brace. Function grenade explosion. That name's already taken, I think, yeah, in the variable. So let's put function at the end of it with a capital F. Open bracket, close bracket, open curly brace, closing curly brace. Function grenade sound. Open bracket, close bracket, open curly brace, closing curly brace. The last one we need is function grenade sound sec. This is for the sound, so it has to wait a couple of seconds before it can play. Alright, that's the functions we need. Let's start with the audio ones as always. We're just going to say find game object dot find open bracket, close bracket, two speech marks, main camera. So I'm looking for my main camera and I want to access the audio on that, and then I want to change the clip to grenade sound, grenade audio, sorry. And then game object dot find open bracket, main camera, speech mark, close that off, dot audio, dot play one shot, and you want that to be equals to grenade audio. Alright, that's that done.